Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. So this is a little tiny 5x7 painting, pre-primed with black, that I probably should have added another layer to. And I want to do some swiping. Off drip. Thank you. That's Deco-art 24 karat gold. This is Dazzling white. Another Art Deco. Deco-art. I say it backwards so often. Please forgive me. This is Mystical Mystique. This is an Art Minds that I found in my collection of stuff. No clue what I'm doing. I'm just having fun. Might have a little more fun right there. It's not going to look anything like that, no matter what. This is some water lily. Oh, it's closed. Let's see if I can get it open real quick. No, let's use something else. I think that'll be the Whispering Wisteria. Which won't show up unless it's on white, so I want a little more paint. And fortunately my periwinkle is open. Now I thought about using yellow, but I'm not sure I'm ready to do that, so I'm going to just... I've got a little acetate tool, very old, time to make some new, or find the ones when I made some blanks. I've tidied up the studio, can't find them. This is Dancing Fuchsia Cell Activator. I think I'm going to go sideways. Well, I was. If this were a larger canvas, I would be using a wet background of black. I'm going to use the Atelier Cobalt Turquoise. And I want that paint. So I'm going to scrape it off and use some more. Oh, I like that. Got some great cells. I might want some black. Definitely want to keep scraping off my colors. A little more Dancing Fuchsia. Lighter touch and I'll have less to scrape away. I want something darker. You know what? I'm going to try the Meeden, which is just a Floetrol GAC 800 mix. But I've wanted to try it for a while, and it's a 5x7 canvas, so I'm really not going to lose anything much. And it used to sell. And if it doesn't, that's okay. Well, I say that. So let's try some regular cell activator. Oh, it is selling. It's just a little slower. Honestly, I spend a lot of time taking the little tabs off the top of bottles, but I like that they seal themselves up. For the most part. I swear I probably could spend 20 minutes just doing a 5x7 if I'm not careful. I think I'm going to go back to the Dancing Fuchsia. I like the black. I feel like just taking the gold, moving it toward the edge, filling in. It's easy enough right now. Kind of want to do something else, like what? Take my nail art tool. See if I can meld some areas in with the others. I wish I could swipe with my nail art tool, to be honest with you. But I can probably still have some fun with it. Tell how quiet it is. The ticking of the clock is taken over. I kind of want to surround the edge like I'm doing so far with colors. What am I missing? Small is perfect for recycling paint that's on other things. I think I'm almost done too. Although I'm liking what I'm having a good time playing with the paint. It'll look different when it dries for sure. There's only one thing bothering me, and that's this right here. It's just the only solid area. Well, I don't know if that's good or not, but it was fun. Probably not all of it will show up. There's the spot I missed. In this case, I didn't do a great job priming the canvas. I should have done it twice. It's not perfect, but it was fun. Hi, this is Priscilla. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you come again. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment, please. Also, if you'd like to become a member, you will help support the studio in the best way possible, and I really appreciate that. I love you guys. You inspire me always. Bye for now. Priscilla out.